Hey guys, in this video, I will teach you how to use new emojis on Android. The process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is follow every step that I make. So let's go ahead and use new emojis on our Android. Anyway, I will be straightforward with you. We are going to use or install an application called Zfont 3. But you don't have to worry about that. It is a safe and useful application as it allows us to use new emojis on our Android smartphone. Anyway, let's go ahead and tap Play Store on our smartphone. After doing so, let's search for Zfont 3. So let's go ahead and tap Zfont 3 and let us install the application. And now we have to wait for Zfont 3 to finish installing. Installing this app may take longer if you have a slower internet connection. So let's just wait for it to install. After it is done installing, all we have to do is open the application. Once we have opened Zfont 3, we will be greeted with terms and conditions. The next thing we want to do is tap on agree, so we can continue using the app. Once we have agreed to the terms and conditions, just click OK. And now we are using Zfont 3. Now to use new emojis, all you have to do is scroll down and look for emoji. And here we can even use iOS emojis and Windows emojis. Let us tap see more so we can see more choices of new emojis. Now, what I want to use is the new iOS emoji. It is up to you what you want to use on your Android smartphone. Once we have tapped our preferred emoji, let us just tap download. Just wait for it to download. Again, it may take a longer time for slower internet connections. Once it is finished downloading, all you have to do is tap apply. Now, it is important to allow Zfont 3 to gain access. To continue, tap get started and use this folder. Hit allow and let us continue to the app and wait for it to install. Now we can use new emojis on our Android smartphone. Just hit local fonts, and let us tap Zfont. And let us just hit apply again. If we look at our new emojis, as we can see, we now have new emojis on our Android smartphone. Now you know how to use new emojis on your Android smartphone. If you would like more videos like this one, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. Thank you for watching.